Your body is complex.
Log on to Medcure's website and this is what you see. It's clear from the start what this company does.
The need for whole-body donations is great.
Medcure basically acts as the middleman, connecting people who want to donate their bodies to science after they've died with doctors and researchers.
There is simply no adequate substitute for the human body when it comes to teaching and research.
While it was quiet at the facility on the corner of Airport Way and Northeast Sandy Boulevard, last week was a different story. FBI agents raided the Portland area company, taking records, but not body parts.
No, I mean, it's pretty quiet.
Brandon Geimer works nearby. He says interesting things have happened in the general area, but nothing that would warrant a visit from the FBI.
But as far as the FBI being involved, that is definitely not something normal for around this area, and it definitely, makes you wonder kind of what's going on.
And it's still unclear what is going on. The company's lawyer says in part, quote, Medcure is fully cooperating with the FBI and looks forward to resolving whatever questions the government may have about their business. They would not provide any further information. As for the FBI, few answers there too, since a federal judge sealed the search warrant. While both the FBI and Medcure aren't saying much, a Reuters article reported that people familiar with the matter say it concerns the manner in which Medcure distributes body parts from its donors. At this point, the FBI says no charges have been filed against Medcure. We did a quick search for the company on the Better Business Bureau's website. Medcure earned an A+ rating despite the fact that more than half of its 11 reviews were negative. Most of the complaints about not accepting donations and disorganization. Back to you.
Christine, thanks.